Unlocking English Idioms, Decoding Tall Order. Hello, and welcome to our journey through the English language. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, tall order. If you're eager to enrich your English vocabulary and sound like a native speaker, you're in the right place. So, let's dive in and explore this intriguing expression together. Have you ever encountered a situation that seemed very demanding or difficult to fulfill? That's exactly where the phrase, tall order, comes into play. The term, tall, here is not about physical height. Rather, it's a metaphorical use to express the magnitude of difficulty. Think of it as a waiter at a restaurant being asked to carry an unusually large and heavy tray. It's a big challenge. The origins of tall order are somewhat mysterious, but it's widely believed to have arisen from American English. The phrase likely became popular in the late 19th or early 20th century, a time when tall tales, with their exaggerated stories, were also in vogue. Just like those tales, a tall order stretches beyond the norm, demanding exceptional effort or ability to complete. Let's look at some examples to see tall order in action. Completing this project in 1 week is a tall order, but I believe we can manage it with some extra effort. Finding a replacement for our best player is going to be a tall order for the coach. She set herself a tall order by aiming to run a marathon with only a month of training. These sentences show that the phrase can be used in various contexts, ranging from work and sports to personal goals. In professional or business contexts, tall order is often used to describe challenging tasks or high expectations. The client has given us a tall order with that deadline. Securing a 20% increase in sales is a tall order, but our team is up for the challenge. Understanding such phrases can greatly help in comprehending the nuances of business English. It's important to understand the cultural nuances when using phrases like tall order. While it's common in English-speaking countries to use such idioms, they might be taken literally in other cultures, causing confusion. So, it's crucial to gauge your audience's familiarity with English idioms before using them. And there you have it. Tall order is a colorful phrase that adds flair to our language, perfectly illustrating the challenges and demands we sometimes face. We hope this video has clarified the meaning and usage of tall order, and that you'll feel confident incorporating it into your conversations. Until next time, keep practicing, and never shy away from the tall orders of learning English.